What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. Check these out. We've got the latest Huawei FreeClip 2S. Now, I've done the previous Huawei FreeClip 2, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. I will leave the link in the description box below, or you can check out my wireless earphones playlist. But here we have the latest ones. Now, you can only get these in two different colors. So it's a silver, which I have right here, and also a purplish color, like a shiny one, but you don't get them in black, which is the default color that I like. But anyways, I got them in silver, and we are going to unbox and review them in this video today. Just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above, as I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification to upload any video. You'll actually be notified. And if you want to see any other videos or comparisons with these wireless earphones or any other ones, let me know in the comment sections below. In this video today, we'll check out the box, then we'll check out what we get inside of the box, then we'll take a look at the design of the wireless earphones, and then we'll take a look at some of the specifications and features, and then I'll connect them to my phone and I'll give you an audio description of the bass and audio quality with these, because the design is kind of new where it wraps around the outer of your ear, so they're longer lasting apparently as well. Here are some of the features. So it's 5.1 gram C-bridge design. So it's a C-bridge, meaning it goes out from your ear canal, out of your ear onto the back. Open ear listening, luminous charging case, IP57 water resistant, cross operating system connection, and crystal clear codes. And apparently it has an all-day battery as well. So we'll check that out in today's video. So let's get started. Have Huawei's FreeClip 2S. This is the second generation open ear clip style true wireless earbuds. It focuses on comfort, environmental awareness, AI enhanced calling, and improved sound quality rather than active noise cancellation. Some of the key features: it has an open ear clip design. It doesn't block the ear canal. It's comfortable for all day wearing, and it lets you hear the surroundings while listening to music or on phone calls. It's really lightweight as well. Just one earbud weighs 5.1 grams. It's improved C-bridge makes from shape, memory alloy, and skin friendly silicone on the stem. With these earphones, you have AI audio enhancements, adaptive volume adjustments, playback automatically based on ambient noise, and adaptive voice enhancement improves speech clarity for calls and spoken content. It has triple microphones, AI call noise reduction, and DNN, which stands for Deep Neural Network, which reduces background noise in busy environments. They have the best gesture control you can get on any wireless earphones. Double tap to skip a track, triple tap to previous a track, and you can also swipe on the back of the earbud to put the volume up or down, and you can actually customize these in the app. Not only that, you've got head motion control as well, so it supports actions such as answering or rejecting calls by head gestures. Check the app out, then you'll know what I mean. It runs on Bluetooth 6.0. It has dual device connectivity as well. It's IP57 for the earbuds, and the charging case is IP54 water resistant. Some of the specifications: it is a USB Type-C plus wireless charging as well. The battery in the charging case is a 537 mAh battery, and the earbud battery is a 60 mAh battery. The case weighs 37.8 grams and the earbuds weigh 5.1 grams as well. Wireless charging up to 3 watts. Which brings me to the battery life. Now music, it can run you up to 9 hours. Music with the case will run you up to 38 hours. To make phone calls, it's up to 6 hours, and calls with the case is 25 hours. It takes 60 minutes to charge with the earbuds inside the case. The case only takes 50 minutes to charge. Wireless charging will take up to 150 minutes. You can give it a 10-minute quick charge, which provides 3 hours of music playback. Last of all is the sensors. It's got an infrared sensor, Hall sensor, gyroscope sensor, accelerometer sensor, bone acoustic sensor, and a touch sensor, all in these FreeClip 2S. You can actually use it on any iOS or Android device. Have you ever seen a color like this? It's like a chrome effect, so you can actually see everything around my office because of these wireless earphones. Now you know what I mean. I tried choosing black, but you couldn't get it, so it's like a chrome silver, and you get a chrome purple as well. So as you heard, when flipping the case, you do get a tone. And what I'm going to do now is connect these to my smartphone, and then let's see what the audio bass quality is like. Now you have to make sure you've got Huawei audio. You can actually get the QR code from the back of the box. Let's add a device. Huawei FreeClip 2S, the latest ones we have here. Sending info to device. Let's pair. It usually takes straight away. I don't know what that information is actually sending. Connection successful. Took about 5 to 6 seconds. So as you can see, we've got an update there, but let's take a look at the app. So it's connected 100%. Sound effects, you've got elevate, treble, boost, or voices. Gesture control, so either ear you can answer and end a call, and that is for gesture control, touch any part of the ear highlighted above, which is that bit right there. It's the little, I think they're a bit rubbery, yeah, them there. So either side to answer and end a call, and the left one to play them both, right to play them both. You can actually change these to next song as well when not on a call, so you can actually the left one will go as next song, so you can change that. That's double tap. So triple tap, actually we'll leave that as it is. So triple tap, you can actually next song. Swipe, which as you can see here is adjust the volume, which is good, and adjust the volume. Press and hold, you can actually choose what you want. So yeah, it's got some good gesture controls there. Let's go into head control. So when head control is on, you can answer or reject incoming calls by simply nodding or shaking your head. That's a good one to have, that if you need it. Wear detection, and what else has it got? Find, experimental features, adaptive volume, device control, charging settings, update, which we're going to do now. So give me a second. Right, they have updated, and as you can see, it's changed. So we now have spatial audio and sound effects as well. Well, that was there earlier, but spatial audio wasn't there. So now we have it connected. Let's put these into my ear. I forgot how you actually do this. So you do get a tone every time you put it into your ear. Now these are designed to actually elevate around your ear, so you can actually still hear whatever's going on in the surroundings where you are. So it will give you the same audio and bass, well, I won't say bass, but it'll give you the same quality, audio quality, as you would when using any other phones, but you've got more noise coming in as it doesn't fit straight into your ear canal. So let's put some music on. I've got some music playing, and I'm going to put it at 50%. I've got to say, wow, at 50% I can still hear myself, but the volume is kind of high. It feels high, but I can still hear myself because it's not like it's like I've not got anything in my ears, which is good. Let me put it all the way to the top. Wow, I even can't hear myself. The volume is so loud. I have got to say, the audio, it does, how can I say it? So when it's at 50%, the audio quality is very, very good. Bass, all of it, I'm going to give it about 30 to 40% bass. But the audio is I would give it a good 90% at 50. But when it comes to 100, I can't hear myself. It's just chucking the audio out here. So I'm going to knock it down to about 85%. It's still good audio. I can't even hear myself. Bass, it's not that good. I'd give it 30%, 25 to 30% when it's at full volume. I can't even actually hear myself. But when it's brought down to 50, you can actually hear yourself, and it's good, decent bass and very good audio. But I've got to say, that is actually some next level. They are very, very loud for open ear canal earphones. It just goes around here. They are very, very loud. So let's check out the gesture control. So double tap to play and pause is on the stem. Also, it's double tap and double tap again. Triple tap, next song. Yes. Swipe on the back to adjust the volume. As you can see, with the volumes going up and swiping it down, it's bringing it down. So when you swipe up, it goes up. When you swipe it down, it goes down. And press and hold if you want to make phone calls and whatever. So the gestures do actually work. I've got to say, it doesn't feel like I've got earphones in my ear. It's just, I can feel something wrapped around my ear, but there's nothing going into my ear. I've got music. I can make phone calls. And for those people who don't like earphones shoved into the ear and like headphones, I'd say these ones are the best ones to use, because you've not got anything into your ear canal, so which is a good feature. And the audio is very, very good. I've got to say, if you want it really loud, I'd say 85%, but when you have actually got it at a decent volume, it's definitely 9%. Nice, very nice audio. Bass, I wouldn't give it that much, but you know, some people don't like bass. You just want the really nice audio quality. Overall, people, I am going to give these Huawei FreeClip 2S a good 8.5 out of 10. Just simply because of the very loud volume when you put it very high, and you actually can't hear yourself. It's like the earphones are gonna burst in your ear. There's not a lot of bass at high volumes as well. But yeah, they're still good for 8.5. I would say they actually cost around 150 to 180 pounds depending on whereabouts you are at the time of this recording. But overall, they are a decent pair of earphones. I actually have to take these to the gym just to check them out to see what they're like. Shame about the chrome. You actually get every fingerprint or even dust particles on the case. Even if you clean it as much, you'd still get you know, marks on the case. So I would recommend a case if they have got one out for this. But yeah, what do you think of the color? They only come in 2 different colors. Let me know your thoughts. Anyways, if you want to see any other videos with this Huawei FreeClip 2S, let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.